Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI. And if you're looking to be a little bit more sustainable, this glass reusable spray bottle is a great way to start. You can hear that it's a really nice thick glass, and the sprayer itself is also really good quality. So I know I'm going to get a lot of sprays out of this. I love the fact that it has different settings. So if I want like a nice fine mist to clean bathroom doors or different things, I have that option. But I also have the option of direct spray. So if I need to get into the toilet or different nooks and crannies, I can actually do that too with this nozzle. And then it has the block feature, so I can't actually spray it when it does that. So if you want to keep it safe from the kids, you don't have to worry about the kids getting into different chemicals. I know it might sound kind of silly, but I like the fact that the straw makes it all the way down to the bottom of this bottle, because that means I'm going to get every little last drop of whatever I put in here. And that's important to me because I'm trying to waste as least as possible. So if you're looking to start your minimalist journey, or if you're looking to just be more environmentally friendly or reusing things, you're going to love the quality of this glass jar sprayer bottle. And that's my point of view.